Good morning. How are you guys today? Got my coffee. Today we're going to show you just real quick how you can update the administrative backend with your own logo, with your own business colors and such. As you see here, here's the default. This is just a personal website /administrator, which is pretty common for Joomla. You have the Joomla logo and the default colors. Basically, log into the backend of your CMS. Once you're in, you're going to navigate up here to extensions, templates, styles. Once you're in the back of styles here, you go from site to actual, well, these are your overall themes or your templates for the website, for the Joomla site. Go to your administrator and you'll see the themes or the templates for your administrator. Down here, ISIS default is the actual one that's the default for most Joomla sites. So this is the one you're going to most likely select because this, if you're seeing this common theme background, you're in the ISIS default. Navigate here because you'll come to the details. Navigate over to advanced. You'll see here's the nav bar colors, which is basically all these colors here. The header color, which is going to be the color here. You have sidebar color, which you won't see at this period of time, but you'll see on the other pages. Link is similar to this color here, and then the background, which is where we logged in. You can also set up your own personal logo if you'd like, where this will be replaced here. So just go into the front end of my site. You can see that the business colors I'm using is this light green. This is just a personal site I play with. So let's change this nav bar to something similar of a green, and I'm just doing this pretty quick here, but you'll see that basically what's going to happen is it's going to update this administrative nav bar up here, and maybe that's not the best color because it's hard to see. So just navigating over here to our final web design site, you can see I've updated this background for our personal color. I've also updated this logo for the login. So as you go to login, you'll see that our backend administrative panel, we've also updated this nav bar to be similar to the business colors. We've updated this control panel. We've updated this logo and our sidebars here, which also match the front end of our website. So just a cool thing you can do in Joomla if you want to customize a little bit. It's not a bad idea to kind of just have your own experience in the back end of each website so you know where you are. Here's the settings, guys. Thank you. Take care.